Hi everyone. Today, we will use some long-tailored, professional ChatGPT prompts to create an ebook that provides the user with high value and has the potential to rank and sell on popular online stores, such as Amazon Kindle. Please note that the entire process could be done on Google Gemini and other popular chatbots as well. Let's start by asking ChatGPT to create book titles that have the potential to rank easily on an ebook store, such as Amazon Kindle. Could you please suggest for me ebook titles about topic that meets 2 criteria? 1. High search volume and low competition on Amazon Kindle store. 2. Has SEO-friendly keywords to rank easily on Amazon Kindle. Please replace the topic section with your desired topic or niche. You can replace Amazon Kindle with another bookstore if you want to sell there. Now, since we are using the free version of ChatGPT, it might not be capable of scanning through the store. We can go to Google Gemini and ask the same question, since he can scan through online sources, using the free version. Time to create the table of contents. Now, outline the chapters and key sections of a comprehensive guide on title, and ensure a logical flow of information and a clear progression of reader understanding. Replace the title phrase with your desired title from the previous prompt suggestions. Now, let's create the introduction as follows. Create an introduction about the ebook that captures the reader attention. Provide an overview that highlights the value and relevance of the content to the reader's needs and interests. Make sure it has lots of SEO-friendly keywords that will help the book rank quickly on the online store. Make it as close to real human style as possible. Now, repeat the following prompt for each chapter. Now start writing the contents of Chapter X of the book discussed in the session titled, Title, using the following criteria. Make it a comprehensive and informative. Include relevant statistics, case studies, or expert quotes, source these yourself. Maintain a professional and engaging writing style appropriate for your target audience. Make it look as written by real human as possible. Include lots of SEO-friendly keywords that will help the book rank high on the online ebook store. Consider different content formats like bulleted lists, numbered steps, or short Q&A sections to enhance readability. Notice how we used several criteria to produce an advanced content. Replace X with the chapter number and the title with the selected book title. You can add an additional criteria to decide the word count, such as 500. Lastly, for the conclusion part, craft a compelling conclusion about the ebook created in this session titled, that summarizes the main takeaways of the ebook topic created above and emphasizes the practical benefits for readers. Include a strong call to action, encouraging them to share feedback, leave reviews, and explore additional resources for ongoing learning. All done. Right? Wrong. You need to check each chapter manually to see if the style is really written in a human style, and twist it a bit, and add your own flavor. You must go online and put the contents in an online plagiarism and bot checker to ensure the information is not plagiarized or flagged as bot content. There are lots of free and paid online services that can do this. Just Google Online Plagiarism Checker, Online Content Bot Checker. And if possible, use more than one for double check. After you finish assembling all the chapters of your book, use a robust ebook cover designer such Canva to create an eye-catching cover for your ebook. Good luck. Don't forget to like and subscribe and write suggestions in the comments section for similar ideas, so it will be created and added to this channel in the future.